You are going to like this, so stay with me until then. Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, I'm going to cover how to find out the surface area of a pyramid. So let's write the formula. It says total surface area is the sum of the area of the base and lateral surface area. In this example, the base of the pyramid is a square. As you know, the area of the square is the length of a side squared. So let's write it. The length of the square is 7 centimeters. A square is gonna be 7 times 7, 49. Centimeter times centimeter, a square centimeter. This is the area of the base. Now we need to find the lateral surface area. To find out the lateral surface area, we can use two ways. Let me start with a simple way. As you know, this lateral face is triangle. So we can find the area of a triangle and multiply it by 4 because we have 4 faces as lateral face. Area of triangle. The area of triangle is 1/2 the length of base times height. In this example, the base has a length of 7 and height has a length of 10. Height. 2 divided by 2, 1. 10 divided by 2, 5. 7 times 5, 35. Centimeter times centimeter, a square centimeter. This is the area of one triangle. Do not forget, we have 4 triangles as the lateral face. So we need to multiply it by 4. Four times 35, 140 square centimeter as lateral surface face. But let's try the next way. For the next way, I'm going to use a formula that says lateral surface area is lateral surface area is 1/2 perimeter of the base times a slant side. In this example, the perimeter of the base, the perimeter of this square is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, or 4 times 7. 1/2 times 4 times 7 centimeters. A slant A slant side in this example has a length of 10 centimeters. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 times 7, 14. 14 times 10, 140. Centimeter times centimeter, a square centimeter. Look, with using both ways, we have got 140, 140, same answer. So we can use both ways to find the lateral surface area. This is up to you. Now it is enough. We plug these numbers to our formula. The area of the base, 49. A square centimeter. The lateral surface area is 140, 140. 49 square centimeter plus 140 square centimeters is, and this is the correct answer. Remember, if you use different way to solve this type of question, if you use different way to solve this, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Have fun.